Jai Shri Krishna. In Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam 1.4.2, the appearance of Nārada. Here in this verse, Śaunaka Rishi said, O Sūta Gosvāmī, you are the most fortunate and respected of all those who can speak and recite. Please relate the pious message of Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam, which was spoken by great and powerful sage Śaunaka Gosvāmī. So here it is mentioned, Śaunaka Gosvāmī उवाच सुत सुत महाभागो वदान वदन्तम्भरा कथां भगवतं पुण्यं यदा भगवान चुखः. It means Sūta Gosvāmī is twice addressed herein by Śaunaka Gosvāmī out of great joy because he and the member of assembly were eager to hear the text of Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam uttered by Śukadeva Gosvāmī. They were not interested to hearing it from a bogus person who would interpret in his own way to suit his own purpose. Generally, the so-called Bhagavatam reciter are either professional reader or so-called learned impersonalists who cannot enter into the transcendental personal activity of the Supreme Person. Such impersonalists twice some meaning out of Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam to suit and support impersonalist view, and the professional reader at once go to the 10th canto to misexplain the most confidential part of Lord pastime. Neither of these reciters are Bonafide person to recite Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam. Only one who is prepared to present Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam in the light of Śukadeva Gosvāmī, and only those who are prepared to hear Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam and his representative are bona fide participants in the transcendental discussion of Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam. So here it is mentioned, those who are not comes in the discipline of Guru Shishya Parampara or teacher and student relationship, that if anyone is prepared to present Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam in his own way, that is not benefited to anyone. That here it is mentioned by Śaunaka Rishi. So the Bhagavatam, Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam will be recited by the bona fide representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Jai Jagannath. Jai Shri Krishna.